Hello guys, in permutation and combination, we all know that 5 permutation 2 will give us 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial, and that gives us 5 factorial all over 3 factorial. So in this video, I will be talking about what is and proving what is 0 factorial. Now, from definition, n factorial equals n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. It continues until we get to 3 times 2 times 1. So in the same vein, the 5 factorial we have is the same thing as saying 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Also, 4 factorial will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then 3 factorial becomes what? 3 times 2 times 1. Now, following same pattern, we can also do what we call 2 factorial. So what do you think 2 factorial will be? 2 factorial will be 2 times 1. 1 factorial will be 1 times 1, and that is 1. This is 2. So what do you think 0 factorial will be? We want to prove that that equals to 1. So how do we prove that? So we have to also move from here that 4 factorial means 5 factorial divided by 5. And that will give us 120 divided by 5. If you check very well, it is the same answer that we are going to get, and that is 24. Also, 3 factorial will give us what? 4 factorial divided by 4, and that gives us what? 24 divided by 4, and that is 6. Going by that, 2 factorial will be also because of what? 3 factorial divided by 3, and that is 6 divided by 3, and that gives us 2. Now, what do you think 1 factorial will be? How do we write 1 factorial? So 1 factorial will also be 2 factorial divided by 2, and that will be 2 divided by 2, and that gives us 1. Hence, 0 factorial that we want to prove will now be equal to what? 1 factorial over 1, and that gives us what? 1 divided by 1, and that is 1. So that proves that 0 factorial is equals to 1. So by definition and by the proof that we just did, 0 factorial is 1, and that is proved. Quite easily done. Thank you for listening. Follow for more.